Did you know that deleting a file and even emptying the recycle bin doesn't necessarily remove it from your computer? In many cases, digital forensic investigators can still discover and recover those deleted files. Hey guys, my name is Eric from Vathos Technologies, where we build digital leaders and smart systems. Alright, in this today's digital forensic tutorial, you will learn how to recover deleted files using Autopsy, one of the world's leading open source digital forensic tools. We will analyze a forensic disk image, identify deleted files, recover them, and understand the forensic principles behind the process. So, if you are ready, let's dive in. Now, before we proceed, if you're interested in learning this autopsy, kindly click. If you're watching from TikTok, actually click on the link on my bio, which will navigate you to our YouTube channel. All right, check my bio, it will navigate you. The link, you will find it there. It will navigate you to my bio. So just watch the previous autopsy videos I have made on how to set up your autopsy lab, and even showed you the interface overview of autopsy, and also created a video on adding a disk image or forensic evidence to a case. All right, I have showed you all those things, so you can go through these videos if you are interested. All right, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's go back to autopsy. Now, the first thing to do is to download the digital evidence you are going to be using. All right, so to do this, you just open your browser and go to this website. You just go to this website, just type National Institute of Standard and Technology. This is where, now what to do is to navigate to this website. As you can see that it's the National Institute of Standard and Technology. As you can see that here, this is where big universities and forensic researchers get their data set they use, which is their digital evidence or forensic image they use for their digital forensic investigation analysis. This is where they get their data. So once you enter their portal, just click on the website. As you can see the website here, you said CFR, yes, cfres.nist.org, .government, sorry, .gov, right, .gov. So this is the website you are going to use to download this forensic evidence, all right, or forensic image. So now here is where you will find it. So what you do is to browse. You browse the data set you want to use. So you browse the data set you want to use. As you can see, you will see so many data sets for digital forensics you can use to practice. You can download all these data set and practice them. But the one you're going to be using, I want to search the one we are going to be using. So let's just search deleted. So this is the file we are going to be downloading. This deleted files recovery. All right. So it contains it contains a data that has a deleted file. So which we are going to be discovering it and recovering it in this training. All right. So all you need to do is to click on this file. So once you click on this file, it's going to be open like this. You see something like this. So now if you are using Windows, this is the one you should download. This one that ends with ntfs.dd.bz2. all right, that's the one you should download. All right, so just click on the download button and it will be downloaded for you. Now once it downloads for you, you go to your download folder on your system. You will find a file like this, right? So when you get a file like this, all you need to do is to right click on it and you click on extract all. Okay, you click on extract all. So once you've done that, just click on extract. So once you've done that, you get a folder like this. So just open the folder, you will see the extracted folder or the extracted file of this data we downloaded, which is it, right? So now what you do is to go to your autopsy. Let me close this case. Now you open a new case. All right, so we have done a lot of previous cases here. All right, so this is the one, this was the one we did last, right? So just open a new case. All right, just name this case whatever you want to know. Let me just call it data recovery, right? Data recovery case. So let's just call it data recovery case. Now you just go to next. You put your number, whatever. You just put your number and you put your email and you put the notes, all right, that describes this this analysis you are doing, this digital forensics you are doing. So you go to next. Okay, click on finish. So it's going to be creating your digital case for you, right? So your case has been created. Now the first thing to do now is to add your data source, which you have to ingest your data, right? So as you can see, we are going to pass all this through. I have explained this in our previous training. Now you just go to next. You go to next. So it will tell you to select your data type. You have disk image, you have local disks, you have logical files, you have unallocated space image file, we have autopsy logical imager results. So all these things are explains depending on what you want to do. So for the method of the file we are using, we are going to be selecting disk image. All right, so just select it, select the one you want to use and go to next. And now we are going to be browsing it, all right, where our digital image is, the one we downloaded, right? So you have to browse it. As you can see, I found it, so I'm going to click on it. So if you want, you can put your BitLocker password. If you're interested, you can put it here, but I don't want to do that. So what you need to do is to go to next. So you go to next, and here is it. All right, so make sure you check mark everything except this one, because this one is for is paid. All right, this one requires a paid license before you can enable this cyber triage malware scanner. So it requires a paid license, malware scanner. So just leave it like this and go to next. So it's a processing data source and added it to a local database. All right, so everything is being done right now. We said data source has been added to the local database. File are being analyzed. You can see it's still in 72%. As you can see, it's still analyzing the files. So everything is going to be created for us in the next few minutes. Now before we proceed, I want to show us this course we newly launched. You can see it here. We newly launched our phone location tracking and lost device recovery. So here I teach you how you can recover your lost devices. If your phone gets missing or someone steals your phone, we will teach you how to track and know the exact location of your device. We also taught you I also demonstrated on how you can track someone with their IP geolocation, all right, and find their exact location. So this is an advanced training on phone tracking location. So if you're interested, just hit me and enroll for this course. All right, thank you. Let's go back to our training. So now, as you can see, our data has appeared. So this is our data, which is our data source. So I just want to click on this. You can expand this. Now this is our digital evidence, which, as you can see here. Now for this video, all we want to do is to recover the deleted files in this folder, right? Now I want to go to the deleted files. This is it, right? So you can see the file system is 10. So we have 10 deleted files in this digital evidence, or in this digital evidence we have 10 deleted files. So if I expand this, as you can see, you say file image is 10 and all of them is 10. So as you can see, all these things you are seeing here are the deleted folders. Now if this is the digital image, or yes, the forensic image of your system, this is how I will still recover it using the tool called Autopsy. Yes, with Autopsy you can discover deleted folders. All right, you can discover deleted folders in your computer using the digital evidence or image. All right, so if I click on this guy now, I will find the details of this deleted folder, even the day it was created, including, as you can see now, this is the name of the image of this file, all right, that was deleted. All right, now the reason why Autopsy is giving it the name called orphan is because the name has been deleted. So Autopsy is now giving it another name called an orphan, all right, which means it has no source or something like that. Now the file type is system type. We have the file name allocation, which appears here as unallocated, meaning that the file is lost. All right, now we see that the last time it was modified is 2012. All right, and so date and day and even the time. So it also showed us the last time it was accessed. As you can see, this is the date it was accessed, and it's even, this is the date it was accessed, the last time it was accessed. Now this file, it also showed us the day that this file was created. That's wonderful, that's powerful. This is the day it was created. All right, so this is what Autopsy will show you. It even showed us the date was changed, and so, and these are other information about this file. Now what we are going to do now is that, since we have discovered that we have 10 deleted files inside this digital evidence, right, or forensic image, since we have discovered we have over 10 deleted files inside this forensic image, what we're going to do now, we want to recover some of these files. All right, so if you want to recover this deleted file now, all right, because we don't just discover, you have to recover it. So if you can prove that you can be able to discover that a deleted folders inside a digital evidence, you have to be able to also recover them. All right, so now to recover them, what you need to do is to go to the file, those file that was deleted. All right, in your deleted file, just click on it, or just right click on it. For instance, if you want to recover this guy now, just right click on it and go to extract files. So when you go to extract files, you choose a folder where you want to save these files in. All right, so I just want to leave it like this, or you can just go to your download folder and save it, but let me just save it here. So now I want you to name this file. Let me just name it recovered. Yeah, sorry, recovered files. Let me just say recovered files. So I will just save it here. All right, just once you click save, as you can see, it said files extracted. So it has been extracted. It means it has been saved. Now let us see if you can save another one. Let's right click on this and click on this guy, also this guy. So let us save it here. So destination already exists, overwrite. So no, just say no. So no files to extract. So let me just say another recovered. Okay, let me just say another recovered file. Let me just give it this name. All right, so let me just delete this guy. So you can just save it. As you can see, save files extracted. Now these deleted files we just recovered now has been saved in our own system. Okay, now let us go and find it and see what we have. So just go to your file explorer and you go to where I set my own is under OneDrive. Okay, that's where I set my own. So now it's under OneDrive. See, this is how you find it. This is how you find exactly where you saved your own. So if you go to this place, as you can see, my export, which is the export folder I'm saving it, is under OneDrive. It's under OneDrive. This is the folder I saved. So it's under OneDrive, under desktop, under my data recovery case, and that. Okay. So just go to this place. Now let's go and get the files we recovered from Autopsy. All right, so as you can see, this is my file manager, and I will go to OneDrive. Under OneDrive, that is where we saved it, right? So under OneDrive, I will go to desktop. That is where I saved it. Now under desktop, this is our forensic case we created, which is data recovery case, right? Now I will click on it. I will double click on it. Now I will see all these things. Now I will go to export. Remember, I saved it under the folder called export, right? So when I click on it, I will now see the two datas I recovered. As you can see, the first one is recovered files, and the second one is another recovered file. So these are the two deleted files I recovered from Autopsy. As you can see that. So you can now open this. If this is a video, you will start playing the video. If this is an image, you start, you can be able to open the image. Whatever file it is, whatever any image or videos, be it anything at all, you can be able to recover it from your Autopsy. All right, yeah. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to recover deleted files using Autopsy. This is one of the core skills every digital forensic investigator should master. In the next lesson, we will explore another important aspect of forensic analysis and continue building practical investigation skills. So if you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are watching from TikTok, click on the link on my bio, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss a future cybersecurity and digital forensic lessons. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next training.